Hey air fryer lovers! So today we're making breaded chicken tenders and these are the ingredients that I'm going to use. So you know that I shop at Aldi and these crackers are basically Ritz crackers, but we bought the Aldi version because I love Aldi. And you need an egg, chicken breasts, you need 2 bowls, one for the egg wash and the other for the crackers, which we are going to smash, and some flour. So step one, we're gonna crash our crackers, right? We're gonna pound them. Let's go. You don't have to use anything fancy, just go to town. Take out your anger. So as you can see, we are going to crush it as finely as possible. And here we are cracking an egg. Might I just add, this is the most perfect egg I've cracked open. And here we are just adding a tiny bit of milk, and you can add more milk. So I'm just going to add some seasonings, forgot to mention earlier. It's just these, parsley, garlic and cayenne pepper. I'm going to add it to not only my chicken, but the breadcrumbs, well, the crackers. So just scramble your egg to look like this. So add the same seasonings that you're using to season your chicken in your crackers or your breadcrumbs, whichever one you prefer to use, and ignore the baby in the background. She is waking up from a nap. So yeah, just add those seasonings in. You can use any seasonings that you want. I just had these in my cupboard, and mix the seasoning so it goes everywhere and you don't just get, you know, one sort of random bite of chicken that tastes more flavorful than the other. Make sure it's mixed well. And also to add, we need flour as well as the breadcrumbs. So once this part's done, you're going to move on to the chicken and marinate it with the same seasonings that you marinated your crackers with. So as you can see with this lovely slow-mo shot, that is salt. And next we will season with cayenne pepper, garlic powder and parsley. And then after that, you will rub it in, marinate it with your hands. You can use gloves, it doesn't really matter, but I like to wash my hands thoroughly after, so I do it with my hands. And if you prefer to get it a little bit more flavorful, I would suggest to marinate this and leave it in the fridge overnight and then come and do your, egg wash and then cook it, because it'd just be a lot tastier. But you don't have to if you're in a rush like we were. It's not a problem. So you can see now I dip the chicken into the egg wash, the flour, and then the breadcrumbs. So you just repeat that as many times as you want to get it crispier, but you only need to do it once here. This is what we did. We just did it once. And then it's pretty much self-explanatory. Just do it to the rest of them. So a pro tip is, as we sort of bash the crackers, we like to have that extra crunch, so we leave a few pieces sort of bigger than the other, so you can see there that there are a few big pieces, and that just makes it a little bit more, adds a bit more bite to your chicken. Then you just add it to the air fryer. Boom. Right, so we've got quite a bit in there. Try to stuff as much as I can. My hands are all, crummy. So here we go. Turn it on. Air crisp, and it is going to be on 180, and we're going to see if 10 minutes is good enough. And there we go. I'll come back in 5. So just to check. Ooh, that looks yum. That's what it looks like after 5 minutes. So I just opened it and it was almost ready, but I love mine to look a little bit browner than this. So I'm just going to open one up to see if 10 minutes was enough time. Just grab it here. We can just cut it in the middle. And there you go. It looks like it is perfectly done. And voila, there you go. That's what we took out of the air fryer. So I hope you like it. I hope you want to subscribe to the channel because we would love to have you. And remember, you can always request foods for me to do. Thank you, and like and share. Bye.